$420 million was liquidated, I believe it was over the last 24 hours, as Bitcoin was tanking down this morning, touching $89,000 per coin. Guys, $89,000 per coin is now considered extremely cheap. Think about that. Just 2 months ago, $89,000 was an all-time high. Now $89,000 has people panic selling. It doesn't make any sense. You can try to justify it if you want to try and justify it, but it doesn't make any sense. So we're going to look at what is happening right now, because we do have a little bit of an XRP breakout. I know it pulled back a little bit because of the overall market slump, but an XRP breakout could be happening as a downward channel is being broken to the upside. Shiba Inu coin. This is a price pattern that you do not want to ignore. So we're going to be talking about that. And I don't know if we're going to get into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin does need to wake up, sitting at about $92,000 right now. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. And as you can see, we're going to be going over this. But I do want to say, if you haven't been diversifying, right? I own a lot of meme coins. I own a lot of layer ones. And the market pulled back this morning. It hurts because the overall market is pulling back, so your overall portfolio pulls back. But it's not as bad as if you were in, one of these meme coins that's down 30% on the day today, and your entire portfolio then is down 30% on the day. Now, with that being said, one of the meme coins that I have been diversifying into is Wall Street Pepe. Wall Street Pepe is by far the best ICO right now, raising $47.3 million essentially in the last month. It's been out for maybe a little over 4 weeks now, and these guys have been soaring through their milestones. And we have never seen a faster selling ICO than Wall Street Pepe. Now, there's a lot of reasons behind it. You guys can watch my videos on it to understand those reasons. But I'm very excited about this one, mainly because the numbers are speaking for themselves. $47 million in inflows would make this one of the largest meme coins in the world, right? If it was, if this was flowing into liquidity pools and stuff like that, if it was already launched. So pay attention to it. If you guys are interested in buying it, I got a full walkthrough tutorial on how to buy Wall Street Pepe. Simply type it into my channel, put my wallet on the left-hand side of the screen, and walk you through the entire process. But we got to go over what's happening with SHIB in the overall crypto market right now. Now, I'm not going to spend much time on XRP, but I know a lot of you guys are interested. And as you can see, they've got their price chart here. The descending trend line that has been taking place over the last couple of months here was just broken to the upside as XRP ticked back up to about $2.50. Now, it is down a little bit today. Where's it at? 246. Okay, so coming back down a little bit to 246, but a major move higher as it breaks out of that descending channel. Now, I don't have mine set up here, but if we were to graph it very similarly to what they had there, you've got a nice bull flag pattern, right? A descending wedge right here onto your bull flag, and that was just broken to the upside a couple days ago. So if XRP can continue on this move, it's going to be a very, very nice move higher, and a lot of people excited about that. But let's discuss Shiba Inu coin. It says SHIB heading forward, a head and shoulders pattern, a bearish structure that frequently portends a possible downward movement is beginning to form on Shiba Inu coin. The asset is currently struggling to close in important support levels, so traders and investors need to pay close attention to this pattern. Right now, SHIB's price is trading around 2,000 points per coin. 2,050 points per coin is right where it's at. It says the 200 period exponential, just above the 200 period exponential moving average. By serving as a strong support area, this level has stopped the more severe sell-off, but the neckline of the pattern, which is at about 2150 points per coin, is still crucial. In line with the previous demand zones, a confirmed breakdown from this level might lead to a strong move towards the next important support at 1800 points per coin. Immediate resistance is around 2250, and if this level is broken, the bearish pattern may be deemed invalid, allowing SHIB to retest 2500 points per coin. It would take a significant buying pressure to break through this resistance level, which is in line with the 50-period exponential moving average. Volume analysis shows that there isn't much bullish momentum, which makes the current pattern even more alarming. The RSI is also close to 45, indicating neutral conditions with potential for declines if sellers take control. I mean, it is possible, right? And it's saying that the next move is going to be largely determined by price action around the neckline of the 200-period exponential moving average, or around that 2,000 point per coin level that we're at right now. Look, I'm not looking at a head and shoulders pattern. I'm still looking at my ascending wedge here, or my ascending channel. And Shiba Inu coin may be breaking down below it today. Now, we do need to see confirmation of that breakdown, right? We've attempted to break here. It bounced back nicely. It wicked down, wicked down. Today may end up being a wick. Like I said, $420 million were liquidated in the crypto market. I think it was over the last 24 hours. May have been this morning as Bitcoin was falling down to $89,000. If we bounce back, the ascending trend is still intact. If we bounce back, this support, both horizontal and ascending, still intact. We have to see how the market reacts. I believe there's a lot of dip buying going on. I believe we are still in a bull market. But I believe that investors are a little skeptical right now and a little cautious because of the change in administration here in the United States. Look, guys, once we get through the next week, once the new administration takes over, all of these, let's just call them emotional investors, right? Whether they be institutions, whether they be retail or whatever, a lot of conservative investors take their money out of riskier assets when an unknown catalyst is on the horizon. Look, I don't think it's unknown, okay? I think we are setting ourselves up here in the United States to be the crypto capital of the world. And because of that, I believe that we will embrace cryptocurrency. I believe that crypto will grow. And I believe that this is an industry that is going to create trillions of dollars in wealth over the coming years and tens of trillions of dollars in wealth over the coming decades. Whether we just boil it down to blockchain technology, meme coins, and whatever, think about the impact that Bitcoin and blockchain is going to have on the world. Now, I still do believe that there's a little bit of a hang-up between the transparency of a blockchain and what governments allow and all of it. So it's something that we have to work through. But if you believe in the future of crypto, we have to view these as buying opportunities. We are in a bull market, guys. And 2025 is expected to be the peak of the bull market based on that 4-year cycle. Don't lie to yourself, and don't let anybody else lie to you. Look at the history, look at the patterns, and move forward strong in what you believe. I believe this industry is going to grow. I believe the $420 million in liquidations could easily be stop-loss hunting and liquidation hunting. Institutions understand, guys. The elites, they understand that this industry is going to create trillions of dollars in wealth. Do you think that they want retail owning trillions of dollars in wealth? No, absolutely not. That would mean financial prosperity. That would mean financial freedom. That would mean that you're no longer a part of their system. I choose to move forward believing that this industry will grow. And I choose to move forward diversifying and accumulating right now despite pullbacks. Two of the places that I am accumulating, the KSEX exchange and the BitUnix exchange. Both of these have their own unique features. BitUnix, well, on XRP, 75x leverage, but tokens like Shiba Inu coin and Bitcoin have 125x leverage down to 1x leverage. So they're very flexible in what they allow you to do there. KSEC, and they also have copy trading where you guys can earn 10% of your followers' profits. From there, you've got the KSEX exchange. KSEX, in my opinion, has the best selection of meme coins that I've seen available in the United States. This guy's got meme coins down to basically $100,000 market cap. You can go out there, trade a lot of them on up to 100x leverage, down to 5x leverage. Please understand the risk and reward of trading on leverage before you do so. But nonetheless, man, excellent opportunities, and I'm taking advantage of it. I simply want to know if you guys are taking advantage of it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.